Friends, welcome to Techify tutorial. So today I'm here with a new problem of SQL. This problem is quite easy and simple to understand. So there is a table called views, and views has a column name article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. And it says that there is no primary key like column with unique values for this table, and this table have may have duplicate rows, right? Now, in the question, it is asking that write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles, right? Return the result table sorted by ID in the ascending order, right? Okay. So if you look at the table, there is an article ID and author ID and viewer ID, right? So author ID 3, article ID 1 that has been written by author ID 3 and it has been viewed by some ID 5, right? In the question, it is asking that you have to find all the authors, all the authors that viewed at least one of their own, at least. So mark this word, at least one of their own article, right? So it means that these, if you look at the author ID 7, 7 is the author ID of article 2, and 7 is the viewer ID. Like, so here the author ID and the viewer ID is same, and that is what we have to find uh, in the answer. So if you see, 7 has viewed, s- uh, 4 has also like author ID 4 has article 3. It has viewed by the 4. Author ID 4 has article 3, and again it has been viewed by the 4. So we have to find all the ID of the author. That should be the unique ID first, right? And the only constraint is that the author ID should be equal to the viewer ID. That is only the problem asking. And finally, we have to um, return the table sorted by the ID in ascending order, right? So it's quite simple problem. We have to write select. I need only ID, right? So select distinct, distinct author ID. So author ID um, as ID, and we can write views table, from views table where we could write the condition here, right? Where author ID is equal to, so author ID is equal to viewer ID, right? And second thing that we have to do is we have to sort this author ID. So what we do, we'll write order by author ID in ascending order, right? Let's run this code. Okay. So now you could see that you have your ID and this exactly same. So click on the submit button. So submit button, if you click, you could see that all the test cases are passed, right? So this thing was very simple. You have to first you have to fetch this distinct author ID, and you have to give this condition as author ID is equal to viewer ID. So that's all about this problem. This problem was quite simple. Thank you all.